Hey everyone, it's Jared Falk here at the Drumeo headquarters, and it's been a long time since I've done an update video, and I really wanted to just film something, show you guys around our space, and kind of let you see what we've been up to. Now, first of all, I need to say thank you. Thank you to the entire community, Drumeo Edge members, YouTube students, people that follow us on Facebook, people that have signed up through my email list or anywhere, because for the second year in a row, we won the Drumeo Award for Best Educational Website. And that's voted on by our students. And so it really, really means a lot to us. And I just want to say thank you all so much. We could not have done it without you. And I mean, teachers without students, we're pretty useless, right? So we need students to be teachers. So first thing I want to show you is our plaque wall. So here, for a lot of you who have been following us for a while, when we first put this facility together, we did a Kickstarter campaign. And that was to help us fund some renovations for this space. And one of the rewards for that Kickstarter campaign was getting your name on the wall embedded into our studio. And so we're gonna get Kyle behind the camera just to kind of come up here and get a kind of slow shot of all the different names. And hopefully your name is on there. If not, that's all right. Don't worry about it. Now, around this amazing Drumeo logo, which was created from a good friend of mine, Steve Fast, Imperial Finishing, and he put this all together for us in this beautiful backing board and did it. I don't even know how you cut it out like that, but he did such an awesome job of the Drumeo logo. Around this is pictures of some of our guest artists we've had out. So you see Matt Garska, Tony Royster, Larnell Lewis, Stanton Moore, Thomas Lang, Benny Greb. Over here, I know I'm going fast for you, Kyle, but come on. We have Mr. Bernard Purdy, Josh Traeger, Carmine Apis, Antonio Sanchez, Daphnis Prieto, and then Casey Cooper. Now we've had many more guest artists out, and we're still kind of finishing off this space, and so the plan is to continually put pictures all the way around. Now this space right here is kind of our meeting room. And so we have 2 tables set up, and during our Drumeo VIP weeks, we actually come up here to eat together. This is where we eat, and so all the food goes right behind Kyle, and we sit here and eat in front of this gorgeous board of plaques and pictures of all these amazing drummers that we've had in. So this is one room that has been a new addition since the last time I've done one of these videos. So let's go downstairs, and I'm going to show you another new addition. Okay, so this right here is a room that we haven't really showed anyone. And you see it's actually got a coded lock on the door. So I'm not going to tell you what that is. Boom. That's what it's about. Come on over here, guy. All right, so here, we call this like our VIP / clinic / storage for my amazing drum collection. So what we normally have set up is a couple kits at the front of the room over there, and then we have all these Yamaha DTX 450K electronic kits throughout the room. And students come for our Drumeo VIP weeks, and they get to study with us playing on a really nice electronic kit, and all of that is fed through a system so we can kind of listen to each student individually. Each student can solo for the group on an actual electric kit, which is really nice. In the past, we've used practice pads and stuff, which they're fine, it's just not as good as getting to hit a drum and hear a sound, right? And so this is our live clinic room. Up there, get a quick shot of this, Kyle. Up there, that is my first ever drum set. It was a pearl kit that my grandparents bought used for my dad and my aunt way back in, I think, the late 60s or early 70s. And when I said I wanted to start playing drums, they pulled that out of storage, and that was the first kit I started on. And so it's really kind of cool to have this as like a featured little kit within the clinic room here. Now, some other things you can see, it's a little bit of a mess right now, sorry about that, but you'll see a bunch of kits. We got a D-drum kit, a Ludwig kit, a PDP, Tama, Star Classic. We got the Yamaha Al Foster hip gig with there's a Benny Greb signature snare in there. This is a 1964 Camco Oakland lawn. I got a new Rogers kit from the 70s and an amazing ProLite kit from Sonar. Over here, you've all seen this kit many times, is my DW, my gorgeous DW kit. And yeah, like these are the DTX 450K. So let's get a close up on these. We've actually done some mods to kind of help route all the audio like we want to. And we've attached this little mixing board so the students can actually hear other students, or they can hear the instructor when he's talking, and we just attach a little mixing board to each module. But this is great, lots and lots of fun. Okay, let's get out of here. So now I'll take you to the new entrance, and we'll see, yes, we have some people working here.
That was 1360.
Come on in, come on in. Okay. So over here,
All right, perfect.
Mr. Mike McCalco.
Hi.
Looks like he's hard at work. And then come over. This is Megan, hard at work. This is Ashley, hard at work. So this is... So when you come to Drumeo, you'll enter there, and you'll be greeted by Megan, Ashley, and Mike. And she's having trouble hearing. So, okay, come over here. So through this way, we have a little practice area. So a lot of times when we have a special guest artist or we have our VIP group out, we just have to like to have a little practice area for students. Okay, so let's go to the studio over here. And now this is studio. Oh, I like how Victor has it all nicely set up for himself here. Victor Guidera. Victor, what do you got going on? I guess they can't hear you, right?
Hello. We have all of our monitors for all the cameras up top, and of course our live switching system and our entire audio system all tied in together.
Yep. So if you come to our studio ever, which hopefully you do, Kyle, come sit down here and show them exactly what they're going to see. So you'll sit down here. Oh, and this is what you'll see. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it, Kyle?
It's a beautiful thing.
Oh. Okay, so come on up. And here is what you've all seen many, many times, because this is where all the lessons happen. You could call this the magic room, since this is where all the magic happens. So come sit over here. Today we had an artist in named Ruben, and this is his setup. Look at it, it's kind of a funky angled setup. This is where he was sitting. Maybe Kyle, come sit here and show them exactly how it looks to. So if you were to come and play in our studio or take part in a live lesson, this is kind of what you see. Show them how bright the lights are. Yeah. And then over here, we've actually done some nice work on the cymbal setups. And so Paiste was kind enough to send me a few of these displays. I think I have more Paiste cymbals than they do in all the stores. But this isn't even all of them, there's more in there. And then right here is lots of snare drums, lots of sounds. Okay, so that's the studio. So let's go upstairs. I want to introduce you all to some of the team and show you exactly what happens behind the scenes. So we're gonna try and hopefully embarrass a few people and put some people on camera. You know, being on camera, it looks really easy. Hey, Jonathan?
What's that?
Being on camera looks really easy, hey? Hard at work, hard at work. Okay, so this is my office. You know, very, very simple, but I have some pictures up of my family, my beautiful wife, my 2 kids. Dave is still over here. He's closed his door, I see. Ah, here he is.
What's going on,
Mr. David
guys?
Atkinson.
What's up, everyone?
Yeah.
Welcome to my office.
That's nice. Now get back to work.
All right. Bye.
And here we have a kitchen. And now let's go up here. This is Pam's desk. Pam takes care of the very important financial stuff, so don't mess with her, otherwise you won't get paid, right? And over here, oh, Taylor.
Oh, it's me.
This is where Taylor works. What are you working on?
I'm working on some Facebook reminders.
Facebook reminders, cool. And this is where Mr. Kyle works, who's currently behind the camera. You got the stand-up desk too. This is nicer than mine, I think. Oh, hold on. Okay. All right, so then over here is where a nice little sitting area. You can have an afternoon nap. And this is Jonathan. Jonathan, as you can see, feverishly hard at work. One hand.
This is where the Drumeo code.
This is basically behind the scenes of the website. He's just in a panic to create new features. And over here we have Caleb. Eh? Caleb, tell him about yourself. What do you like doing? Long walks on the beach? You're currently single?
I'm single and I write code.
Writes code. Responsible for many of the features and many of the cool things that happen on the Drumeo website. Over here we have Chadley. What do you do, Chad?
Do a little bit of marketing, hang out with this guy, hang out with these guys.
So you can't hear that, marketing, and he hangs out with guys, okay? And then over here, we got my brother, Jamie. What do you do, Jamie?
I do lots of stuff.
Yeah?
Pretty much whatever you tell me to do.
Whatever I tell him to do. That's not true. Not at all. He does a lot of great video editing. A lot of the, you always say our commercials sound like Apple commercials and stuff. He does a lot of that. He makes those come together, and so you've got a good eye. Very creative. Then over here we have Trent. Trent, and what do you do? Say it really loud.
Web design, or web development actually.
Web development, and so what are you working on right now?
I was actually just cleaning up the styles on the courses page.
Cleaning up the styles, so just making sure the website runs smoothly, right?
That's right.
And then here we have Justin.
Yep.
Justin used to be downstairs, but he recently just moved upstairs. And you're in charge of a lot of the social side of things and dealing with a lot of the students, answering questions and comments, and just making sure that we have a presence everywhere.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, that's my job.
What do you like doing?
I like drumming,
Yes.
video games,
Video games?
browsing the internet.
Browsing. Oh! So is this your symbol?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Cool, and that is pretty much it. So why doesn't everyone stand up and give me a warm round of applause for this amazing. All right, cheesiest walkthrough ever, but that is our facility, and so I've never really showed it to you. I know I've showed you pieces of it here and there in pictures, but it's really great to finally get to do an update. So, like I said earlier on, thank you guys all so much for your support and helping us put this together. Without students, we wouldn't be doing this. Without all you backers on the original Kickstarter, we wouldn't be able to continue developing the best drum lesson site in the world. And so we've got really big things coming. We're really excited, and we can't wait to show you more things that we've been up to. So thank you again, and I hope to see you very soon.